Hi, welcome back. On this lecture here, I'm going to discuss video quality, how to download your exercise files, how to use the practice application, and how to subscribe to new lecture emails. So now, going to video quality, as you can see right here in front of you, we have this PHP looks really blurry right now, right? So what we need to do is we need to grab and click on the HD button right here, and that is going to clear everything for us. Everything's going to look crispy clear, as you can see right here. All right, so make sure your HD button is turned on. If you turn it off, it looks really blurry. All right, so that would be close to your controls. When you see your volume right here on the left side, you're going to have that HD button. All right, now to download the exercise files is super simple. Go to your right hand side here. You're going to find a whole bunch of lectures. Click on this tab right here, and this tab is going to have your lectures, and that's if you are in a desktop. You should have the same interface as me. Maybe later on the platform will change it, Udemy will change it, but right now this is the way it is. All right, so when I tell you to download your exercise files or any file for the specific lecture, go to this link right here on your right hand side right here. Okay, so when you download it, you're gonna get a zip file like this. All right, make sure you extract it. So I'm just going to double click it in my machine, and I'm going to extract it. If you're on a Windows machine, make sure you right click on it and extract all to your desktop. Once you have that folder, it's going to be called demo. All right, I want you to grab your, if you remember, we got your the server location is on that folder called htdocs, htdocs, actually not deeks, htdocs right here. And in my case, it's in under application, and because I'm in a Mac machine, so under applications, the folder called XAMPP and then htdocs, right? For you, if you are on a Windows machine, it will be on your C drive on a folder called XAMPP, and then on another folder called htdocs. All right, this is where your server location is, your root directory for your server. So what you're going to do is, if you want to use your exercise files, what you want to do is drag that folder into that htdocs, and then you can use it there. All right, now later on, just because this lecture that you're watching right now was made after I made a lot of files or a lot of exercise, a lot of lectures, later on I'm going to tell you to make a folder called demo. Right? Now, you can't have two folders named the same in the same directory. So what you want to do is right now, if you want, you can go ahead and rename this. And it doesn't really matter. It's not going to affect our practical application. But you can rename it if you want. And you can say demo 2. It's up to you right now. You can say demo 2. And then you can access your practical app like that, or your files. And just to access those files, all you have to do is go to your local host, and then you click on demo 2 or demo, whatever name you gave to that folder that we just downloaded. And then here you're going to find all your files inside the demo folder, or the demo 2 in my case now, because I just renamed it. You're going to find another folder called practical app, and this is where your practical app application will be located at. All right, so make sure. Now, some of you, when you go to your local host, you're gonna get something like this. Right? That's totally fine. That's just XAMPP redirecting you to their index.php page. All you have to do is take the parameter off and type in the name of the folder here. All right, or the folder that you want to access. In our case, it's gonna be demo 2 now, because we just renamed it. All right, and then we go to our practical app, and we can access our practical app like this. Later on, we're gonna do different things in our practical app here, and it's gonna show up on the screen. All right, I would show you how to do that, but just know that later on I will tell you to make another folder called demo. Just rename the folder so that way you can have both folders here. All right, now one thing about the exercise files, that each of them have a number in front of it. That's the lecture numbers. Sometimes they jump from one number to another. That means that either this, like this one here, 29 jump to 31. That means on 30 I don't have a lecture regarding files. That does not have a file. So we have lecture 31, 32, and 33 for this specific file. That's why these numbers are back to back right here. And when it jumps from 34 to 57, that means that I have the files in another folder. And in this case, it's gonna be my SQL files. So they're gonna be here. It's gonna be PHP files, but we're gonna be doing MySQL queries and things like that. All right. So just know that the rest of the 30 something, 34, 35, 36 are gonna be located right here. All right. So now that we finished with that, next thing is that I want to explain to you how to subscribe to our new lectures emails. All right, so let's go to our course. Actually, I think I'm in somebody else's course because I have to be, just to show you how to do this. So in this screen here, which is going to be very similar to your screen when you go to my course, click on this gear button right here and make sure that you subscribe to the new lecture emails, since I make new lectures about this course all the time. All right, so you're gonna have something like this. Make sure that it is checked, and the announcements emails and promotional emails. I send very important emails. Sometimes I give away courses, or I just make new lectures. All right, so make sure that you are subscribed. Again, I will be making another folder later on called demo. Just rename the folder here so you don't have any conflict. Okay, so it was a pleasure showing you how to do this, and I'm looking forward to helping you finish this course and get the best out of it. Take care, and I'll see you on the lectures.